Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative cosine x squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we put negative number 1, that is about negative in here. First derivative of cosine x squared, we have negative number 2 cosine x sine x. Because we do first derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x number 2, that's it from here. Later that this one reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. So negative, we have positive. So 2 sine x cosine x, that is about sine 2x. Next, this one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about negative cosine x squared. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.